Hey, welcome to this video. I wanted to make a box for this bottle of beer to send, and I want to make something so that I feel confident that it won't break. So I'm going to do my best and let's get started. I've been watching a lot of videos about repairing and building wooden boats, and on one of those videos I saw them use a method to match a unique curve, and so I'm going to try to use a similar method to match the curve of this bottle so that I can make cutout foam to match that curve so that it'll cradle it nicely. I'll just mark with a pencil where the curve leaves the straight part. Sorry, the camera wasn't set up well and I didn't catch the full thing, but here it is. And so what I'll do next is lay this down on a flat surface, piece of cardboard or something, and then plot out these points, and then take a thin piece of wood or something and or probably just by eye sketch out a curve that approximates between these points. Hard to see because there's a bunch of other crap on here, but here are my points. I thought of a different way to do this that would be much simpler, which would be to build a box, cover the bottle in plastic, and then spray insulation foam around in between the plastic and the box. But I wanted to do this because it just mainly for the fun of it. Here's my rough outline. I'm going to cut it out and see how accurate it was. So it doesn't fit nearly as good as I hoped it would up here. But for now I'm going to keep it and try to make it work. Well, I'm going to have to fill this out as much as this is wide, but I'm not going to do that now. I need to take a break, so I'll be back to work on this later. Hi, it's the next day, and I've been thinking about this project, and I had a lot of fun using this to try to match this shape. But what I realized is I should have probably transferred this to like a piece of cardstock or something, and then use that to match the bottle, and then to make this final thing more precise. Initially I was thinking of making another like half of this and then attaching it like this right in the middle, but I think instead I'm gonna stack up the foam this way to try to make the cradle. I'll have to carve out right here to make the circle shape. Here's this one. I ended up just kind of tearing out foam because I wasn't sure how to get down in there. But it seems to have worked pretty well. Hey, well, this is a final result. I'm pretty happy with it, and it was way more work than I thought it would be, but that's how it goes sometimes. So you can see I put little thumb holes to make it easier to pull the bottle out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out some of my other videos. Bye.